In today's service-oriented economy, providing excellent customer support is no longer just a nice-to-have. It's a critical component of customer retention and business growth. For many businesses, particularly those with a growing customer base, relying solely on email or phone calls becomes inefficient. This is where a dedicated help desk solution with a customer portal comes into play. Zoho Desk is a popular choice for many, offering a comprehensive suite of features. But for businesses considering it, a fundamental question often arises. How much does the Zoho Desk portal cost? As a project management expert who frequently deals with software implementation and resource allocation, understanding the cost structure of such a crucial tool is paramount. It's not just about the sticker price. It's about the value delivered and how it integrates with your overall operational budget. The good news is that Zoho Desk's customer portal functionality is not a separate, high-cost add-on that will surprise you later. Instead, it's an integrated feature that becomes available or its capabilities expand across Zoho Desk's various pricing plans. This means that the cost of the portal is intertwined with the overall cost of your Zoho Desk subscription, which is primarily based on the number of agents, support staff, you have. Let's break down Zoho Desk's pricing structure and how the customer portal fits into each tier. Keep in mind that Zoho, like many software as a service, SaaS providers, often offers discounts for annual billing compared to monthly. The prices mentioned below are typically per agent, per month, billed annually. Zoho Desk pricing tiers and portal access. Free plan. Cost: $0 per agent, per month, for up to 3 agents. Portal access. Yes, the free plan includes a basic help center, which functions as a customer portal. What it offers. In the free plan, you can set up a self-service portal where customers can access a basic knowledge base, FAQs, articles, and submit tickets via web forms. This is fantastic for small startups or individual entrepreneurs who want to offer a structured way for customers to find answers and log issues without incurring immediate costs. It's a great starting point to test the waters. Express plan. Cost: around $7 per agent, per month, billed annually. Portal access. Yes, with enhanced capabilities. What it offers. Moving to the Express plan expands on the free plan's portal functionality. You'll likely get more options for customizing the look and feel of your help center, branding, themes, making it feel more integrated with your website. While the core, ticket submission, and knowledge base features remain, the Express plan unlocks more administrative tools for managing the portal. This is suitable for small teams that are starting to see an increase in ticket volume and want a more polished customer-facing experience. Standard plan. Cost: around $14 per agent, per month, billed annually. Portal access. Yes, with significant improvements and branding options. What it offers. The standard plan is where the customer portal truly begins to shine for growing businesses. Beyond basic branding, you get access to more help center themes, and crucially, the ability to build a public knowledge base. This is a game changer for self-service, allowing customers to easily search for solutions without needing to contact support directly. This plan also often includes community forums, allowing customers to interact with each other and help resolve common issues, further reducing your support load. The portal becomes a much more robust self-service hub. Professional plan. Cost: around $23 per agent, per month, billed annually. Portal access. Highly customizable and advanced. What it offers. At the professional level, the Zoho Desk portal becomes a powerhouse. You gain deeper customization options for your help center, including HTML and CSS editors, allowing you to tailor the portal's appearance to perfectly match your brand's aesthetic. This tier may also introduce features like multi-language support for your portal, essential for businesses with an international customer base. Advanced features like time tracking often become available, which can be shared with clients via the portal for transparency on project work. Enterprise plan. Cost: around $40 per agent, per month, billed annually. Portal access. Comprehensive, multi-brand, AI-powered. What it offers. The Enterprise plan provides the most comprehensive and flexible customer portal experience. If you manage multiple brands, this tier allows you to create distinct help centers for each brand, complete with unique branding and content. It often integrates AI-powered features like Zia, Zoho's AI assistant, and AnswerBot within the portal, providing instant, AI-driven answers to customer queries. This level is for large organizations or those with complex, multifaceted support needs, where the portal is a critical extension of their customer service strategy. Additional cost considerations. While the core portal functionality is tied to the agent-based pricing, there are a few nuances to be aware of. Custom domain mapping. While a basic portal URL is usually included, mapping your portal to a custom domain, e.g., support.yourcompany.com, might be a feature in higher tiers or potentially an add-on. Light agents or portal users pricing. For certain advanced features or very large-scale portal user bases, Zoho Desk might have specific pricing for portal users, your customers accessing the portal, as distinct from agents, your support staff. For example, some sources indicate add-on pricing for custom portals, starting at around $0.5/user/month for 1 to 100 portal users, decreasing per user as the volume increases. This is generally for advanced customization or specific enterprise scenarios, not just basic client access, which is typically included. Zoho One. If your business already uses or is considering Zoho One, Zoho's comprehensive suite of applications, Zoho Desk and its portal, is included as part of that bundle. The cost of Zoho One is different, usually per employee per month or per user per month for access to 45 plus Zoho apps. Project management perspective on portal cost. From a project management standpoint, evaluating the cost of Zoho Desk's portal isn't just about the dollar amount. It's about the return on investment ROI. A well-implemented customer portal can significantly reduce ticket volume. By empowering customers to self-serve through a robust knowledge base, your support agents receive fewer routine inquiries, allowing them to focus on complex issues. Improve customer satisfaction. Offering 24/7 access to information and a convenient way to get support leads to happier customers. Enhance efficiency. Streamlining communication and automating basic interactions frees up your team's time and resources. Boost transparency. Clients can track their ticket status and access relevant documents, fostering trust and accountability.